When it comes to visual thinking and collaboration tools, Miro and MindMeister are two popular choices, but they serve slightly different purposes. If you're trying to decide which one to use for brainstorming, planning, or organizing ideas, this comparison will help you figure out which fits your needs best. Let's start with MindMeister. As the name suggests, MindMeister focuses on mind mapping. It's designed to help users capture ideas, structure thoughts, and visualize connections between concepts. Its clean, easy-to-use interface makes creating mind maps intuitive. You simply start with a central idea and expand outward with branches and subtopics. MindMeister also offers features like real-time collaboration, customizable themes, task assignments, and integrations with tools like MeisterTask for project management. It's perfect for individuals, students, and small teams who need a straightforward way to brainstorm, take notes, or plan projects in a visual and organized format. MindMeister shines when you want to focus purely on mapping ideas and relationships without being distracted by too many extra features. Miro, on the other hand, goes beyond mind mapping. It's a full-featured online whiteboard designed for all kinds of visual collaboration, from brainstorming and diagramming to project management and UX design. You can create mind maps in Miro too, but you're not limited to that. The platform provides an infinite canvas, sticky notes, templates, diagrams, and even integrations with apps like Google Workspace, Slack, Notion, and Jira. This makes Miro more suitable for teams that need flexibility to brainstorm, plan workflows, and manage projects all in one place. It's a tool that supports both creative thinking and structured collaboration, which is why it's widely used by professionals and businesses. When it comes to ease of use, MindMeister takes the lead for beginners. Its focused design means you can start mapping ideas immediately without a learning curve. Miro, while still user-friendly, can feel overwhelming at first because of its wide range of tools and features. However, once you get used to it, Miro offers much more freedom to customize how you visualize and organize information. In terms of collaboration, both tools allow real-time teamwork. You can share your maps or boards, comment and edit simultaneously with others. But Miro has a more advanced collaboration system. It supports team permissions, workshop tools like voting and timers, and integration with communication apps. This makes Miro ideal for larger teams or organizations that run complex collaborative sessions. MindMeister, in contrast, is simpler but still great for quick brainstorming or small group discussions. Finally, let's talk about pricing and value. MindMeister offers a free plan with limited features and affordable paid tiers for those who want more customization and export options. Miro also has a free tier, but unlocking advanced features like templates, integrations, and unlimited boards usually requires upgrading to a paid plan. MindMeister is the better choice if your main goal is focused, structured brainstorming at a lower cost. Miro is the stronger option if you want an all-in-one collaboration platform for creative, strategic, and team-driven work. To wrap it up, choose MindMeister if you need a simple, effective tool for creating mind maps and organizing thoughts quickly. It's best for individuals or small teams who value clarity and focus. Choose Miro if you want a flexible, powerful workspace that handles everything from idea generation to full project planning. Both tools excel in helping you think visually. The right one depends on whether you want simplicity or a complete collaboration ecosystem.